that feeling you get when you're sat watching a webinar and you start to feel a little bit sleepy, even though if it's something that's really good or a great speaker, you start to fall asleep. Yeah. Or you sit there and you go, I wonder, should I put a load of washing on? Should I do the whites and the darks, or should I just throw them in together? And the thing is that because you thought that, immediately you've missed what the person said, what the person is saying, and you've lost. And you're like,
the worst thing is where you think, I'm concentrating. This is really good. I really need to concentrate. I mustn't think about the last Marvel film I saw, which was great actually. Oh, I missed it. I missed what he said.
Exactly, and that's the thing is that. So we all have this thing with the CPD or the continuing education we do, in that we have a social etiquette that's politeness, that we sit there and we often will watch it, but often we sit there and it's not necessarily the most effective way to learn. So now we have a company and we use storytelling, we use technology, and we use cinematography, illustration, photography, and we make courses in CPD for vets and nurses across the veterinary and animal health industry, which are more like Netflix and less like PowerPoint.